time to do a 9-liter engine swap on an 8285R. We're about to pick the motor up, but first we're getting the bolts loose that hold the oil pump on down in here. We don't want to be standing up under the motor with it picked up in the air trying to get that oil pump off, so while it's still down low, we're just getting them hand loose so we can take it off easily once the motor's up. Exhaust stuff on. We take that exhaust stuff off. All right, you clear? We gotta finish bolting up some parts. The head's open right now. We gotta put all fuel injectors in, so we got that. I got my fleece covering up, but we'll come over here now and we'll snatch the valve cover off, get in there, pull the injectors out. swap them over. Start back putting all the parts on it. Got a few things bolted on the side and get it back going. You need to hand me one of the bolts, I'll stick it in there. Where to go at? This one right here? Up top. Yeah. Y'all still got to come up about an inch. Down a bit, right in that area, somewhere right in there. Did that grab it then?
Yeah, that's it.
Are they grabbed? I don't think they. We put a 15 on them. Oh, wait. Pick it back up. We gotta get this paper out from under it. So it is Friday afternoon. We started taking this engine out. Was it Wednesday right after lunch?
Yeah.
Wednesday right after lunch. I think that video I made earlier this week was before lunch. They was getting it pressure washed off. So Wednesday right after lunch, we're back in here. Snatched this sucker out. We got the other one in now. We're waiting on a couple parts though. When we get them in, we'll be ready to roll. We could have did this engine swap entirely just Wednesday, Thursday, Friday if John Deere had the parts for us. We're basically done here, just like I said, waiting on a couple parts so we can put the last few pieces on. We can't put them on until we get those parts, but she's cocked and locked, ready to rock. Maybe we'll have it back in the field since it dries off. It's been raining now for 3 days. So as soon as it gets dry, 82, 85 R's gonna be ready to roll. See y'all next time. See, we cut all that gets cut out. Yeah. All that gets edited. I do a lot of editing. All that gets cut out. I'll talk for like 10 minutes and it'll be like 10 seconds, 15 seconds when it hits the video.